Hi students, now we're going to discuss about exercise 7.2 from coordinate geometry. So the first problem is find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the given ratio. So here we have to apply the section formula. So the formula is, so first I will draw the diagram just for an idea. Let's there is a line segment AB. Let's assume that this is AB line segment, and we take 2 points, minus 1 comma 7 as a and 4 comma minus 3 as a B. See, so we have to find the coordinates of the point which divides these 2 points in the ratio. So here it gave the ratio. There is a one point between A and B. So let's assume that it is a P. There is a point P which is between A and B. So this point dividing the AB line segment into 2 and 3 ratio. Now we have to find this P point. We have to find this x comma y. So the formula is section formula we have to use here. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. See, in section formula, actually we have two types. One is internally, one is externally. Now, here we have internally. For internally, we have the formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. For externally, now, in place of plus sign, we have to put minus. That's it, okay? Now, so here I forgot to put the points x comma y. So the formula is x comma y is equal to this one, okay? Now we have to find this x comma y. So let's apply the formula. So before that we'll write, okay, here this is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay guys, now let's apply the formula. So what is ratio, given ratio? M is to n is equal to 2 is to 3. Now x comma y is equal to m. What is m value? 2. x2 is 4 and plus n is 3 and x1 is minus 1 by m plus n means 2 plus 3 and m is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus n is 3 and y1 is 7 by 2 plus 3 and okay, here 2 for the 8, x comma y is equal to 2 for the 8 minus 3, 2 plus 3 5 and here 2 3 is a minus 6, we have minus 3, right? And 3 7s are 21 by 5. Here 8 minus 3 it is 5, 5 by 5 comma 21 minus 6 it is 15 by 5. So 5 cancel, 5 ones and 5 ones 5 threes. So the point is 1 comma 3. So x comma y. So 1 comma 3 is a point which is dividing AB line segment into 2 is to 3 ratio. So this point is what? 1 comma 3. Understood guys? Now we will do second one. The second one is find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So here we have one term trisection. So before we do this, we should know what is trisection. Trisection nothing but give me a second. Yeah, trisection nothing but if we have a line segment, for example, if we have a line segment AB, so two there are some other points dividing the line segment AB into three equal parts. Means three equal parts means here the distance between AP, PQ, QB is equal. So here we can write AP equal, PQ is equal, and QB. So this is trisection. So the 2 points dividing the line segment into three equal parts, right? So here the each distance, if you take 1 unit, this is 1, 1, 1. So here we have to find the point. If you want to find the point P, so this point P is dividing the line segment AB into 1 is to 2. This P point dividing AB line segment 1:2 ratio. Now if we coming into Q now, this Q is a point dividing the line segment AB into 2:, this is 1 ratio, right? This is the main thing we have to understand, right? Now, so what are you asking? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment. So he gave the two end of the line segment, I mean ending points. One is 4 comma minus 1. Another one is a minus 2 comma minus 3. So now we have to find these points P and Q, right? Okay. So so to find point P and Q, we have to apply the section formula. So let's write a section formula. X comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so let's first find a P point. So for a P point, let's take P point. So for P point now, what is the ratio? Nothing but m is to n. For P point, let's take it is what P means it is 1:2, right? 1:2. Now let's apply the formula. Okay, mx2, m value 1, right? Okay, and x2 value it is minus 2 plus n value is 2 and x1 value is 4 by 1 plus 2. Next, my2, m value is 1 and y2 is minus 3 plus n value is 2 and y1 value is minus 1 by 1 plus 2. So here I can write, okay, P of x comma y is equal to 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 2 for the 8 by 3 and minus 3 minus 2 by 3. So here I can write 8 minus 2 it is 6, 6 by 3 and minus 5 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So finally the point is x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is the P point. Now let's find a Q point. So Q point dividing the AB line segment into 2:1 ratio, right? Now, so the Q point is a Q point dividing the AB line segment into 2:1 ratio. So let's take okay, Q point. If you take a Q point is x comma y again. Okay, the formula again the same thing. What is that? Okay, before that we'll take the ratio. M is to n is equal to 2:1. So let's apply the formula here mx2. So mx2 means what is same value 2 here, x2 2 into minus 2 plus n x1, n value is 1, x1 is 4 by 2 plus 1, and my2 means y1 m, this is sorry my2. Okay, what is the y2 value? Y2 value is minus 2, sorry, y2 is minus 3 plus and ny1, n value is 1 and y1 is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 2 4, and 1 for the 4, 2 plus 1 3, this is plus, and 2 3 is a minus 6, 1 minus 1 by 3. So the point is here, here we can cancel 4 and 4, we get 0 0, and minus 6 and minus 1, it is minus 7 by 3. Okay, so here I can say the q point is, actually I don't have much space, don't mind students, I'm writing here due to short space. Okay, so here the, sorry, the q point is what, 0 comma minus 7 by 3. That's it. Okay, thank you students.